To do on the last light on a fixture line. Many people are confused because sometimes you have a line coming in, a line going out to another fixture, but what do you do when this is the last fixture on the run? So it's a simple solution. Here's what you do. You take your 12-2 wire, you take your lead on your fixture, and you tie one together. And what I like to do is copper crimp it. And use one of these GTSR silicone tubes. Has grease in the middle. Put this right into here. Push it all the way down. Locks in place. So you got one done. Then you work on the second one. You always have two for every fixture. Take your other copper crimp,